Don't do it. Don't do. Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to Parts Cannon Garage. We have Moldy Magoo back on the stand today. The new base plate gasket, I guess we'll call it, has come in. An OEM part here. So today we're going to slip this gasket on here, stick the power head back on, and try to run it. That's it. Let's get to it. It's a beauty. All right, to remind you what's going on with Moldy Magoo. Oh, cleaned up nice. We do have spark, and we sort of declared this a runner last time, running on starting fluid. And a little bit of oil. But, unfortunately, the gasket between the power head and this part, it's not the lower unit, whatever this part's called, was all shredded. So, we have the new gasket. Looks good. All right. Been looking forward to this. We're going to do a quick compression test on Moldy Magoo and see what's going on. When we last checked, it was 35 in both cylinders, but that was suspiciously close to Scotty, and I felt like that analog meter was no good. And I think we've proven that it is no good. But let's take a look here. Digital. Okay, it's in PSI, it's zeroed out. Give this a few pulls. Alright, what do we got? 84.9, yes! Zeroed out, bottom cylinder. Alright. Let's see what that did for us. 78.4, 0.3, 0.4. Wow. Wonderful. Excellent. I'm thrilled with that. We're going to get this in the water tank and let's see if we can start it up. Okay, I have a fuel tank here. This is one of the fuel tanks I got for free with all these outboards. The gas in it seems decent. I wasn't sure if it was premixed, so I put more in. So this is either like 20 to 1 or 40 to 1. But that's okay. Okay, we'll put the choke on. Fuel line's connected. I wonder when the last time this was connected to a fuel line was. I'm guessing 20 years at least. Okay, let's squeeze the ball here. Uh-oh. Not good. The fuel filter bowl was not secured. Little glass bowl that goes, fuel line goes into. Okay, let's see if it leaks. I got it on there, I tightened it. It leaks. Okay, there's fuel in it. It's in neutral. Who's ready? Come on, Moldy. You can do it. This. Something happened, I think. This is good. This sounds good. Okay, well, all right, I gotta get out of here. Well, there you have it, folks. Moldy. I mean, if I wanted to just go fishing right now, for example, haven't touched it. You want to feed her the onions? No problem. Next time you see Moldy, we'll have this sucker on the back of an aluminum boat and see what it can do under load. Thank you for watching. This was exciting. Go Moldy.